Zolega is already 9 months pregnant. She goes into labor and gives birth to a baby boy. It's a joyful time for the whole family, but they soon find out that the baby has complications and has to go to ICU. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Iniba. So Zolega is chilling at home. Apparently, it's 5 months later. Zolega is already 9 months pregnant, and she's chilling with Uboniswa, and they reflecting like Zolega's going on about how blessed she is to have Lazarus in her life. He's such a blessing, and also a relationship with they've healed. It has blossomed so much. And then Lazarus comes back from work. She misses going to work. I think for the next 6 months we must just be home and enjoy motherhood. Aye, basakhuluma Zolega's water breaks. Now she has to be rushed to hospital. They start making calls. They take her to hospital. And then they get to hospital and she goes in and Boniswa calls in the family for Zolega's side. And they start to come. Oh, Lazarus also calls his dad. And they all start coming. And then so they call Lazarus, come, Miss Bikisha is about to deliver. You must be here. How? Utata Lazarus is asking Lazarus, how are you ready? Pela, there's no turning back now. Lazarus said, yes, I've been ready since the day I found out. And then when they call Lazarus to come and be with Zolega in the delivery room, Tataka is like, nope. Son, this doesn't happen. I'm a daughter and gaining land. Men are not allowed in that place. Lazarus is like, never. I want to see my son when he enters this world. I'm going in there. Lazarus goes in there to support Zolega and to witness the birth of his son. And then Zolega she's in there pushing and all with the medical team. And then she gives birth to a baby boy. Finally, it's done. But okay, congratulations. Now, a baby boy. The doctors also offered Lazarus to cut the umbilical cord. And he was honored. He gladly did it and cut the umbilical cord, got baby. And then, so Lazarus is so excited. Comforts Zolega like, hey, we did it. And then he goes outside to inform the family, Guti, it's a boy. So everyone is there. Umagaba has arrived. Tata Lazarus, Utumeka, Kawe, Boniswa. And then he goes outside to announce that it's a baby boy. Everyone is happy, they're cheering and joyful. Just when they're celebrating, congratulating him and all that, even if I can just see Ubawake is proud of him now because he's always wanted a grandchild. So now, finally, he sees Lazarus as man enough because all this time when he didn't have a baby, he felt like there's something missing. So now you can just see like he's looking at him with this pride that Lazarus was talking about. Because having my father look at me like that, it meant a lot to me. So it's just there. I'm congratulated. It's all that. He's also like feeling himself. He's also like a bit puzzled because he's still new. Carl is like, can we go see her? The nurse comes and says, Mr. Ngogana, Miss Bikicha needs you. Please come with me. Only to find there's complications with the baby. Uzolega is already crying. What's going on with my baby? What's wrong? No one's answering. Lazarus, what's going on? Can you just tell us what's going on? Why is the baby not crying? Apparently the baby is not crying now. Udokotela says to the nurses, please prepare ICU. We're taking the baby to ICU. Lazarus is busy saying, what's going on? The doctor just says, you know what, just stay with the mother of the baby. We have to go and restart the baby. Meaning maybe they have to resuscitate you. I don't know what's going on. Why are these complications? They deserve happiness. What is Inimba doing to this couple? And then you should have seen Uhlat when Tumusumaya got the call, but she must come to hospital. Uzolega yobelet. Uhlat was like, Uzolega uyalunywa. Like you could just see Gutinje is getting into the moment. He's still in that stuck in that thing. Or he's just having thoughts about it. It was funny. He's competing with Zolega because he even suggested that they must have another baby to make it. I can't. Now I'm studying. And I'm about to finish. After that, I'm looking for a job. Uligan was also like, no, we can't have another baby, man. You guys are too old. And then, Kawe call phones the office and telling them Zolega has given birth to a baby boy. But the complications, now they're praying for Zolega Numtana, please, can they get better? We should have seen the concern come away. He was so worried. He was so worried. Right, Zolega. And then Sydney is not resting. Sydney is busy with this thing of wanting to sabotage Ikusela. He has gone to recruit Utsakan. Remember the girl that hacked what Josie Power, that girl that ended up giving a scholarship. He has brought the girl back to work with Dice on this mission to sabotage Ikusela. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.